Hello everyone and welcome to the tutorial video on how to change your profile picture on Bumble app. Without any delay, let's dive right in. Open the Bumble app on your device. Tap on the profile icon on the bottom left of your screen. Now tap on the profile picture on the top left of your screen. Click on Edit Profile. Here you can see your profile page and the photos and videos you have uploaded. The picture with name on it is your profile picture. To change the profile picture, click on it. Tap on Delete Photo. As you can see, the second picture has automatically become the main picture and this will be your profile picture. You can also add your profile picture from your gallery. To do so, tap on the icon. Tap on Upload Photo. Select the photo you want and click on Save. Now hold the uploaded photo and swap it with the current profile picture. That's it. Now you have successfully changed your profile picture on Bumble app. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, like, share and subscribe it. Feel free to leave any questions or feedback in the comments below.